Alright guys, want to use dual WhatsApp on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to set it up. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and use two accounts easily without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.